with every negative situation, you can turn it positive. I'm going to use this opportunity to test drive the all-wheel drive system in the CRV and see how she works. Once I get the car cleaned off, we'll hit the road. Gas in here. Curse you. Sorry, that was one of my favorite Janet Jackson songs, so I had to play that. No all-wheel drive light indicator yet. Perhaps we'll get it going up this hill. Light's supposed to come on and say, hey, all-wheel drive is engaged, or you gonna stop, man? A little slippage there, but still no all-wheel drive light. Alright, so I came across a couple situations where I thought the all-wheel drive system would engage, or at least let me know it's engaged. But nothing. No lights, no nothing. Somebody let me know, like, what, I mean, I'm confused now. What's up with that? And we got a Raptor on the road.
With the gun and lose one of them politicians' kids. I promise you, the mother of that baby right there, that's sleeping with that man right there, they're gonna make some damn changes. That's
a shame,
really,
that's what it is. Let me
explain to you. God forbid that happen. Because I don't want that to happen to nobody's child. But that's the only way to get these people to move. They're not coming off the Second Amendment because it don't affect them. It affects their profit and their power. That's why the Second Amendment ain't going nowhere. But the Second Amendment been crazy for this country. We got more deaths by guns than any other nation in the world. We have the highest prison population than any other nation in the world. Why? Because of drugs and guns. Period. To hell. Period. That's the stupidity of this. These kids is on to something. That's all I got to say.
Yeah, well, don't forget the March for Our Lives watch.
Hold on.
Drop the mic.
What was that?
That was him dropping the mic.
That's dropping the mic.
All right, we'll be back with more of the show right after this.